On the behalf of Government Engineering College Banswara, I Dr. Sunil Gadhwal welcomes you once again in video lecture classes. As we had discussed about solid fuel, liquid fuel, then proximate, ultimate analysis. One terms we are using frequently is calorific value. So every student must aware what is the calorific value. The total quantity of heat liberated on convection of a unit mass in case of solid fuel or a unit volume in case of gaseous and liquid fuel is known as calorific value of fuel. Means here we have to take a unit mass, means 1 gram 1 kg, a fixed quantity, and on complete combustion whatever the heat is liberated on combustion, that is known as the calorific value of given fuel. In exam most of the time, two short notes are frequently examiner are asking, and these are higher calorific value, or sometime examiner will ask in its another name known as gross calorific value. Sometime he will ask write short note on HCV or GCV. So you must not be confused about these names. This higher calorific value or gross calorific value of a given fuel. What is this? So as we know that hydrogen is found in gaseous and liquid or solid fuel in the form of moisture. So when we do the do the complete combustion of this type of fuel, then this hydrogen will burn and make the corresponding moisture content, and that moisture will as we know that having higher energy in the form of latent heat. So when we do this combustion in a closed vessel, so the other hot gases, due to the presence of sulfur, if sulfur is present in fuel, then corresponding sulfur dioxide and trioxide will also form, and that will increase the energy of the fuel. So if hydrogen is present in, suppose we are taking gaseous fuel and hydrogen is present in that particular fuel, then on combustion this hydrogen will react with oxygen, and it will make corresponding H2O vapors, and during the forming of H2O, that we know that it is an exothermic reaction, heat will generate. So the total calorific value of fuel will increase, and if we don't allow this moisture and these hot gases to enter into environment directly, then this will also take some time for cooling. When the entire fuel will reach at room temperature, then also slowly temperature will get down, and continuously we are getting heat. So here we will get more total heat is known as calorific value of fuel. So the calorific value of fuel will increase. So in similar in simple words we can say that if the product of combustion are condensed to room temperature, the latent heat of condensation of steam also get included in measured heat, which is called higher or gross calorific value of the fuel. And second term is which is frequently examiner asking in the form of write short note, that is a lower or net calorific value. And in short term, sometime examiner will ask write short note on LCV or NCV. So you must not be confused about the terms. And so in this case, the combustion of fuel and the water vapor or the moisture are allowed to escape along with hot gases, since they are not condensed. That's why a less amount of heat is generated. Uh, in another way, we can say that on complete combustion of a unit mass of solid fuel or gaseous and liquid fuel, a unit volume, the fuel and product on combustion are allowed to escape. The generated heat during this process is known as lower calorific value of the fuel. Means whatever the byproducts are forming, and also the latent heat in the form of moisture when we are burning a unit mass, then on complete combustion, during the combustion, these hot gases and moisture, we are not condensing, so that's why we will get less energy from the fuel, and this is known as lower or net calorific value of a given fuel. Hoping that you would understood the topic very well and will be able to answer. Thank you.